So I'm kind of debating if I should talk like this because my nose. Oh. What if I was a man? I'd be ugly. I mean, ugly man. Watch this though. So, the other day, I was like going on my nature walk with Miss Moran because we're twins, if you guys haven't noticed. And her hair was like frizzy. And then a lion attacked her and she died. And I watched. And then look at my eyes. Watch this. What's this one? It's a little tongue. It's so little. It's a little bit. Oh, watch this. So, I was like walking into school and some guy told me I had a small mouth. And I said, don't talk to me because I have a big mouth, brother. I'm telling you, watch this one big mouth. Lauren wants to be in the video. Thank you for watching me and Big